Welcome to my channel. If you've seen me before, welcome back. Today we are switching our St. Patrick's Day decoration with Easter decorations. I'm gonna break it down for you so you can do it step by step and draw some cute little things for Easter. So without further ado, let's get crafty. Alright, so we're starting with the carrot. I didn't have orange, so I mixed red and yellow paint together and used a sponge to paint it. I will be using the sponge to paint the background of most of the designs and use marker and pen to accent the outlines and details. Remember, you're gonna cut this off, so it doesn't matter if you get off the lines a little bit. And it makes it go faster. Look at that. Seconds and it's already done. I first used the sponge to quickly spread the brown paint all over the cross. Then I used brown marker to make long spiral lines or squiggles to show that it's wood. With gray marker, I did the details on the drape. Then I outlined the cross and done. Here I am outlining the carrot. And I'm using an orange pencil to shade it in because I thought it was looking too yellow. So I'm coloring this little chicken with marker instead of with paint because I had drawn on the matte side of the cardboard, which is the part that takes the paint, and I did not like the drawing, so I ended up drawing on the shiny part. The shiny part does not take paint, but it takes marker very well. Here I am outlining the egg with gray marker because it's less harsh than black, and the little details I did with pen. Okay, I want to make multiples of this, so I painted these and cut them out, and now I'm going to trace them again and again on cardboard so I can make a couple of them, and that way you don't have to draw it from scratch over and over. See? And with acrylic paint, a little goes a long way. I used the paintbrush to paint the bunny because it's more precise than using the sponge in this case. Now it's time to cut it all out. After I finished cutting, I proceeded to put the packing tape behind the decorations to stick them to the door. Please check ahead of time that the tape won't ruin the surface you will be using. My door was safe, but for my walls, I will probably use Scotch tape instead. As you can see, I'm folding the tape into little rolls and sticking them behind the decor so then I can stick them all at once and not keep going back and forth. Some decorations required 2 or more rolls. Now it's time to stick these puppies or bunnies on the door. And there you have it. Beautiful, fun, and simple Easter decorations for you and the whole family to make and enjoy. Doesn't my door look cute? I think so. So as always, if you like this video, please like down below for the algorithm. You know that really helps. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. We have a lot more coming and it's gonna be fun, so you don't wanna miss it. And I hope you liked this video and I hope you found it useful. So thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye.